Hello dear student, in the last video we have discussed the half part of the chapter. Let's continue the remaining part. Till now we have seen that how the dog became ill, how the overeating worsened his situation, and how he had to move to the hospital. The departure of Tricky was very pathetic. All the house was aroused. The maids were putting Tricky's thing in the car. Everyone was in tears. The doctor took the dog away in his car to the surgery, means the clinic. When Harriet reached his home, the household dogs surrounded him. They sniffed Tricky and showed no interest in him. Okay? Like this, he moved to the surgery or hospital. Till 2 days, Harriet did not give him anything to eat, only he gave him plenty of water. Then the doctor started giving him some light food. He gave him no medicines. Remember this thing. He gave him no medicines. After 2 days, Tricky had started taking interest in his surrounding. On the third day, it started whimpering on seeing others' dogs. It followed them down the garden. Later that day, other dogs had their food. When they had finished their food, Tricky walked around the bowls and licked them. It meant that he was hungry, really hungry. And it was given some food. Tricky showed some improvement. Tricky started to show progress. It was given no medical treatment. It ran about with the dogs all day. And it was a kind of exercise, as you know that. It discovered the joy of being with other dogs. Meanwhile, Mrs. Pumphrey continuing ringing regularly because she was worried for her dog. She asked various questions about Tricky. But the narrator told her that the dog was out of danger. Mrs. Pumphrey remained anxious about Tricky's health. The doctor told him that he was better and was recovering. This made her think that he had gone through some surgery. So she sent 2 dozen of fresh round eggs, wine, brandy for him daily so that he might recover soon. But the doctor did not give those things to him because he really did not need this type of diet. Remember this thing, because in some of the books it was shown that the doctor gave those things to the dog, but he had not given anything to the dog. But the doctor and his partners enjoyed those things by themselves, not to the doctor. Remember this thing, okay? The doctor and his partners enjoyed those eggs, wine and brandy. After a fortnight, Mrs. Pumphrey came to collect Tricky. She was tense and worried. She did not hope that he was all right. But when the doctor brought Tricky, he jumped at once into Mrs. Pumphrey's arms because he loved his owner very much. And when the dog saw Mrs. Pumphrey, he jumped at once. She was surprised to see all this, and she said that it was a victory of surgery. This is the important question. Why does Mrs. Pumphrey think the doctor's recovery is a triumph of surgery? You can give the answer like this. Mrs. Pumphrey thought that the doctor's recovery was a triumph of surgery because in 2 weeks, Tricky had recovered completely and had been transferred into a hard-muscled animal. When Tricky saw her, it leapt into her lap and licked her face. She was so excited that the tears started rolling out of her eyes. She declared Tricky's recovery as a triumph of surgery to express her happiness and gratitude towards the doctor. Okay, this is the summary till here. So you will read the chapter once again and complete the question answer of the chapter that were there in your book. And after that, I will give you some extra questions also. Those extra questions also you have to complete in your notebook. Thank you.